In this video, we're going to trim clock hands to fit a dowel. So you can see here I have a minute hand and then I have the hour hand. Now the hour hand is about the 80% the length of the minute hand, maybe 2/3. So here you can see eventually on this material I'm going to put 12, 6, 3, 9 and dress it up to make it the clock I want it to be. But as you can see, the minute hand is extending far beyond the material. So I need to trim it back. I want it to be kind of right here so it hits these numbers that I'm going to place there. So I'm going to just put that there, come about right there. There. Trim that off. Now, as I said, your smaller hand, your hour hand, needs to be trimmed also, so measure that up against there. Trim that. Then you put your hour hand on first. You know, when you buy a clock movement from us, you get all the hardware, it's all included. Okay, the shaft here, you can see that this is oblong, so I put that on the oblong portion. Just kind of got to get it lined up here. It's up here. There it fits right down. Then part of the hardware, since I don't have a second hand on this clock, I use the cap nut. Tighten that down. Alright, now it's kind of perfect, so I can set that, the time here, right there. Let me go about right to there. That's the time. Now it's perfect for this. Now, when you're trimming large hands are balanced. You can see this one. That is a balanced hand. It will take a high torque motor to run this or drive these hands. Anything over 5 inches you have to do a high torque motor. But this hand has to remain balanced. So if I'm going to trim it back some to fit my dowel face, when I trim this here, it no longer will be balanced. So what I have to do is when I clip this off, I got to turn it underneath here, take that part that's clipped off, just use some super glue and glue that part on so it has that weight right on there and therefore it'll remain balanced. So on high torque hands, they have to remain balanced, and we provide you balanced hands. So if you're going to trim anything, whatever you trim off, just put it underneath it and then glue it on there. On hands 5 minutes or less, trim them to fit your need.